This is my iPhone SE, first generation from 2016. It's 8 years old and it can't run anything newer than iOS 15 right now. You can see. So I really wanted to install T-Mobile Tuesday on my 8-year-old phone just because I wanted to get some free stuff or some stuff with coupons. And sadly, T-Mobile Tuesday will not work with this 8-year-old iPhone stuck on iOS 15. So I would definitely suggest, I don't know, I just wish they would support older iOS versions, but T-Mobile Tuesday isn't working, so I need to find a different phone. I'm forced to upgrade my working old phone. First world problems. And it's working fine. The phone's working fine.